Now let's look at another time and speed question. Leaving home at the same time, Amal reaches office at 10:15 a.m. if he travels at 8 kilometers per hour, 9:40 a.m. if he travels at 15 kilometers per hour. Okay, fine. Leaving home at 9:10 a.m. at what speed should he travel to reach office at, okay, 10 a.m. 15 minutes of travel time over here. I have a scenario 1 and a scenario 2 to begin with. A ratio of speed I know is 8 is to 15. Ratio of time taken is 15 is to 8. The difference over here between these two 7 parts is my time difference because he left at the same time, right? 10, 15 minus 9:40, 35 minutes. So therefore into 5, so 75 minutes over here. I will look at a scenario 1 and scenario 3 now, the third scenario. 75 minutes travel time, 50 minutes travel time. That's my ratio of time, 3 is to 2. 2 is to 3 becomes the ratio of speed. Here I know is 8 kilometers per hour. If 2 parts is 8 kilometers per hour, then 3 parts is going to be 12 kilometers per hour. Option 4 becomes the answer for this question. Now, this is another very standard type of question which keeps coming up every 3 to 4 years, right? Wherein certain speeds are given to us, right? The absolute values. But the moment we have that, don't start using a variable for distance and so on and so forth and go down that path, right? We have the starting time is same over here in both the cases, but the finish time is different. So I know the time difference. The time difference over here, I know is 35 minutes, 10:15 minus 9:40. But given that I knew the ratio of speed is 8 is to 15, reciprocal is 15 is to 8 for ratio of time because the distance is the same. The difference of 7 parts is 35 minutes. So if 7 parts are 35, then 15 is what? 7 into 5 is 35, 15 into 5 becomes 75 minutes. So this is a technique we've been seeing and we've deployed a lot in solving a lot of these questions at mockat.com. Please use this if you can. And once you know 75 minutes is what it takes under scenario 1, and scenario 3 has to be 50 minutes. You leave at 9:10 and reach at 10 a.m. So 75 is to 50 is the ratio of time, which is 3 is to 2. Ratio of speed is going to be the reciprocal 2 is to 3. Once again, we knew the speed over here. If 2 parts was 8 kilometers per hour, it was a 2 into 4. Then 3 into 4, 12 kilometers per hour becomes the answer here.